bank last quarter, this quarter result has been good. With the support of all the staff member and all the stakeholders, we have been able to give net profit of 11.49% YoY growth at 3018. Operating profit has also increased by 2.31% to 4,837. And if you see the total business our bank has grown to 13.97 lakh crore with a growth of 12.34%. This quarter growth has been good for the bank in double-digit growth. Deposit has also grew by 12.09%. Advance growth was also at 12.65%. CASA remains a challenge, but we have been able to show a good growth in this quarter also of 7.23%. And CD ratio is below less than 80%. It is at 79.84%. Around you see the around growth of the bank is 15.57%, and retail is very good growth, is very good 18.58%. Agriculture growth is up approximately 14%. MSME earlier bank was struggling for the MSME growth, it was less than 5%, around 5 to 6%. But now we are going consistently since last 3 quarters, growth in MSME around 14%. Gross NPA we have been able to reduce around 41 basis point reduction sequentially from 3.01 to 2.60. Net NPA has also come down by 2 basis point to 0.16%, and provision coverage ratio has also increased from 98.20 to 98.28. Cost of deposit has come down sequentially 13 basis point. Yield on advances have also come down sequentially by 18 basis point. Yield on investment has gone up by 7 basis point. We have been able to maintain because of the repo rate cut, everybody is aware. There was expected that yield will come down, but we have been able to maintain almost a flat level. Return on the asset is also almost we have maintained the rate of 1.32%. Net interest income it has grown by 6%. Operating profit has grown by 2%. Net profit I have already discussed. Return on equity is around 19.58%. Next, this slide number I have discussed already. So again, if you see quarter growth, I would like to highlight. Deposit quarter growth is 4.39%, and CASA also quarter growth is 4.23%. Advance quarter growth is 3.18%. Overall, the growth of bank has done well. Next. Advances, as I told you, range share is around 65%. We have been able to maintain that ratio of 65 to 35%, 65% in the range, 35% in the corporate. And we have very good growth in the agriculture. Growth is actually in agriculture around 22%, but since we have sold some of our loan book, that's why it is showing around 14%. Next. We are compliant bank and we are consistently complying with all the guidelines given by the Government of India and RBI. Priority sector against a target of 50%, it is at 42.51%. Agriculture 18%, against target of 18%, we are at 19.02%. Small and marginal farmer against a target of 10%, we are at 10.15%. Weaker section also 12% target, but we are at 13.44%. Micro under MSME against a target of 7.50, we are at 11.51%. Non-corporate farmer against target of 14%, we are at 17.49%. And we are our self-help group book has also grown to 22,901. And we are whatever target we have been given, we are achieving that. Similarly, for a standard PM of India, whatever target has been allotted, we are achieving that. We are also doing PM Sonidhi and PM Viskarma. Profit number I have already discussed, so we will not go much into detail, but if you see net profit has grown by 11.49%, interest income also has grown by 8.09%, and net interest is up around 6%. Next. Within the income segment, interest on total interest income has grown by 8.09%, and treasury profit this quarter has come down a little bit because yield has hardened from 6.32 as of June 25 to September initial February it was 6.57. So yield has hardened a little bit, but we have been able to overall profit we have been able to maintain. And PSLC commission we have a good commission we have around 339 crore. Next. On expenses side, the expenses have also grown by around total overhead expenses has also grown by around 9%. But overall expenses are under control. Not 8 to 9% growth expenses will happen, and that is in that range. Performance ratio, if you see 2-3 performance ratio, I will discuss it. First of all, I will discuss mean. If you see mean, we have been able to maintain mean almost 3.24 to 3.23, only 1 basis point impact in mean. Domestic mean also 3.35 to 3.34, only 1 basis point impact in mean. Cost to income ratio has gone up little bit because also in June quarter also cost to income last year of September there was increase in cost to income ratio versus June around 89 basis point increase. So there is some expenditure which is booked in the Q2, some one-time expenditure booked in the Q2. That's why in Q2 cost to income ratio is a little bit higher. Return on asset we have been able to maintain at 1.32%, and earning per share is 89.63, book value per share is 467.35. Next. The numbers I have already discussed. This is a depiction, graphical depiction of that. Capital of the bank is 17.31%. We have very good healthy capital, and tier 1 in fact top of tier 1 ratio is also around 14.80% in the tier 1 capital we have. See, to absolute amount tier 1 is 62,905, additional tier 1 is 2,000, and total tier 2 is 8,682, total capital 73,000 we have capital. PCR ratio is 17.31. Next. Government shareholding is around 73.84%, and we are seeing good traction of some of the mutual fund and FPI also, and they are maintaining almost the percentage they have already hold. Rating of the bank is at par with the last quarter. They are having rating upgrade, and now our country rating has also been increased by S&P, and bank is also in the top bracket of the rating agency. Next. Gross and net NPA, gross NPA has come down from 3.01 to 2.60. Net NPA also has come down from 0.18 to 0.16, and provision coverage ratio has also gone up from 98.20 to 98.28. Credit cost has come down from 0.28 to 0.26. Next. SME account I would like to mention last, if I talk of the last September 2024, SMA total SMA was 12.80%, which has come down to 7.35%. Next. We are achieving all the targets in financial inclusion like PMAY, PMJBY, PMSBY, PMJJB. All we are achieving all the targets, and we have got some award from the PFIDA for Atal Pension Yojana also. Next. Now I will request my colleague Mr. Ashutosh Chaudhary to discuss about the digital journey.
Thank you, sir. Good evening all. So this particular quarter, we had 132 digital journeys till now. We had 166 fintech partnership for digital processes and products. Our mobile app InSmart, which was launched last year, has a rating of 4.4 in app. The digital transaction quarter-on-quarter growth, if you see, it has crossed 16.38 crore. The mobile transaction, the financial transaction in our mobile banking app, InSmart app, is 65.4 lakhs per month for this quarter, and the UPI transaction has crossed 3 crore this particular quarter. It is 3.04 crore per day. So if you see the digital transactions has gone up from 92% to 94%, and the branch transaction has come down from 8% to 6%. And this time you must have seen a new InSmart logo app besides this particular slide. So we'll discuss on that particular JVX product. Next, this is the digital banking. Every year on year, the mobile users has gone up by 17% and crossed the 2 crores this quarter. So also the transaction has crossed the 1.98 crore it is, so an improvement of 12%. The UPI user base has increased by 24% and reached 2.41 crore, and the transaction in UPI has gone up by 40%. Now the internet banking users have gone up by 6% and the transaction has gone up by 4%. The debit card users has gone up by 5% and reached to 3.43 crore. The credit card users have gone up by 5%. So we have two apps. One is InSmart, which is about retail, and one is MSME Biz app that we had launched in June 2025. So in the InSmart app, if you see the financial transaction has increased by 12% and the amount wise it was 2000 crore increase, and the non-financial transaction has increased by 11%. And the best part in the smart bits, that is the MSME app, the financial transactions is more than 79,000 transactions amounting to 650 crore of amount, and the non-financial transactions is more than 21 lakhs crore. Next is the digital business. The cumulative business since inception, it is 3,77,865 crore worth of digital business we did. Now this is a graphical portrait of the whole digital business that we did. We did 1,23,585 crore digital business till Q2 against a target of 2,25,000 crore, which is more than 50%. If you see the asset contributes to a large extent of our digital business, it is 1,05,147 crore against a yearly target of 1,92,000 crore. Digital liabilities we are picking up. Against a 33,000 crore of target, we did 18,248. The best part in the asset side is that the agriculture contributes to a large extent. It is 73,891 crore against a target of 1,08,000 crore. The retail business is 22,823 crore and the MSME business is 7,973, which is picking up. So from here you can see in the last quarter Q1, almost we maintain all the ratios. If you see the MSME, which was 45% business we used to do through digital in Q1, has improved to 57% in Q2. Now this is the digital footprint where we are. If you see 1.24 lakh crore business we did, we discussed. The growth in digital liability business is 1.3 times. The digital home loans in the retail side, the digital home loan growth is 2.2 times. And the digital vehicle loan is 2.1 times growth. And if you see the dual loans, it is 1.6 times. So digital agri loan is also 1.6 times growth. The MSME digital loan is 1.4 times. And we have 400 plus digital tractor loans that have been sanctioned in Q2. So this is the digital footprint. One more aspect where we saw a small InSmart picture, that is VBX, that is known as virtual banking experience. We had identified and carved out customers, those who do transaction with the bank, but they never visit to the branch. So we wanted to give them a digital experience for which this Global FinTech Festival 2025, we launched this VBX platform where we have three different kind of products. So Spark is the topmost, and the benefit that you will get there is unlimited lounge access, travel discount, free OTT subscription, lifestyle benefits, and all those things. So we want to show that digital experience with one video. Can we please show the video? So here we note in UBI, RBIH ULI, we note one tie-up, Milk Insights, that is again for Tamil Nadu, where the milk pouring information is directly coming to us. So based on that, the finance will be decided and that will be done. So these are some key initiatives that we have done. Digital KCC we discussed, the RBIH ULI we discussed, the GST advantage also we discussed. One digital co-lending platform that we had recently implemented, with which the pool and co-lending business will be able to do. This on-prem private cloud, which is giving operational efficiency to the bank, that we have implemented. The middleware and API gateways, it is giving operational efficiency, business as well as income to the bank. We have launched eDPI. Last quarter we launched this eDPI. This is like a Google Pay or Phone Pay platform. This will be much more useful for our customers per se and other than customers also. So in Smart Biz we discussed, in Smart also we discussed, we have launched cash management service in August 2025 with 6 corporates. In the days to come, we will expand this business. This will help the corporate customers to manage their cash flows. We have also launched a digital insurance platform for more than a year, which is now stabilized, and the insurance subscription is automated and end-to-end seamless it is. So next one is there are some new features in UPI platform. This is particular things I will say. If you want to reset the PIN now with the face recognition, you can reset your PIN. You do not require any other information. So also up to 5,000 rupees payment can be done through biometrics. Then we have given 12 value-added this services in passbook kiosk, which has increased the transactions in passbook. Apart from passbook, you can do a lot of things there. We have implemented a new fast tag systems for which we have tied up with one fintech, and with the help of that fintech, we will implement this. So the new model of UPI QR soundbox. You people know that when this QR code is there, the settlement is on T+1 basis. But we have tied up with one fintech where this will be given T+0. Same day, the settlement will be given. We have launched Silvera Chennai card. This is a mobility card for Chennai Metro as well as the Chennai bus services. With the single card, we can do this. Then we have implemented cashless transaction system through POS machine. Then this is one of the beautiful things in IGIMS hospital partner. With a single card, if you load amount, with that with the touch and pay, you can give you can pay all the services there. Similarly, in Kolkata, we have done online ticketing system. Then we have made eTDR with MCX. The era is for AI and Gen AI. So we have implemented an employee assist. In the last quarter, we told it was retail asset, agriculture and MSME. This assist was there. Now it has been extended to corporate credit also. In the days to come, we will extend it to operation. Now this transformation of agentic AI is for collection purpose. With dual language we have implemented Tamil and English. In the days to come we will extend the language also. Other 2.0 is already there. Viveks we have discussed. We are going to implement a CRM platform. In that platform, the 360-degree view of the customer will be available there. Corporate credit, we have last time we have implemented 3 modules. The 4th module is also in place, and in the days to come we will implement the all module. So in digital journey we have 132 digital journey. This particular quarter we have announced a lot of digital journey. One of that I would like to inform you people is that we have a digital sign up with NSEL. So with NSEL we do not require to sign any physical document. It will be through digital signature. Then this upcoming UPI we have discussed. Android ATM we are going to implement. The virtual ATM also for customer engagement we are doing. So PMEGP, all these things we have done. And one thing, the new corporate website we are going to launch soon. So these are some of the long-term planning that we have done, doing cloud migration, data lake, then partnership with POS aggregator, mobile app transaction authenticator. This is one of its kind we are going to come out with this. Then with Robo Advisor, wealth management service we will do. Then this announced mobile application security also we are doing, keeping it at the cyber threat that is happening in day-to-day things. And in robotic process automations, we are that March mandate we are going to do robotic process automation. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
53% business. Branch network, we have 1,105 branches in the Tamil Nadu. And we have out of every business cell, 6 every business cell we have in the Tamil Nadu. ATM, we have 34% of our ATM in Tamil Nadu. BC network, 22% of the BC network we have that is in Tamil Nadu. And we have opened one micro set branch that is especially for SHG in this quarter, in September quarter, in Kumar in Tamil Nadu. So these are the few initiatives we have taken for Tamil Nadu.
செப்டம்பர் 30, 2025 அன்று முடிவடைந்த உங்கள் வங்கியின் காலாண்டு அரையாண்டுக்கான நிதிசார் முடிவுகள் சுருக்கத்தை நான் உங்களுக்கு தெரிவிக்கிறேன். வங்கியின் உலகளாவிய வணிகம் முந்தைய ஆண்டை விட 12.34% உயர்ந்து ரூபாய் 13.97 லட்சம் கோடியாக இருக்கிறது. நிகர லாபம் முந்தைய ஆண்டை விட 17.24% உயர்ந்து ரூபாய் 5,991 கோடியாக பதிவாகி இருக்கிறது. நெட் என்பிஏ இந்திய ஆண்டை விட 11 பேசிஸ் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் குறைந்து 0.15% பதிவாகி இருக்கிறது. சொத்துக்கள் மீதான லாப நீட்ட நிலை ரிட்டர்ன் ஆன் அசெட்ஸ் 1.33% பதிவாகி இருக்கிறது. முக்கிய சிறப்பம்சங்கள்: நிகர லாபம் செப்டம்பர் 24 ரூபாய் 2,707 கோடி என்பதிலிருந்து செப்டம்பர் 25 ரூபாய் 3,018 கோடியாக முந்தைய ஆண்டை விட 11.49% உயர்ந்திருக்கிறது. செயல்பாட்டு லாபம் செப்டம்பர் 24 ரூபாய் 4,728 கோடி என்பதிலிருந்து செப்டம்பர் 25 ரூபாய் 4,837 கோடியாக முந்தைய ஆண்டை விட 2.32% அதிகரித்திருக்கிறது. நிகர வட்டி வருவாய் செப்டம்பர் 24 ரூபாய் 6,194 கோடி என்பதிலிருந்து செப்டம்பர் 25 ரூபாய் 6,551 கோடியாக முந்தைய ஆண்டை விட 5.76% அதிகரித்திருக்கிறது. சொத்துக்கள் மீதான லாப நீட்ட நிலை ரிட்டர்ன் ஆன் அசெட்ஸ் செப்டம்பர் 25 1.320 என்பதாகவும் பங்குகள் மீதான லாப நீட்ட நிலை ரிட்டர்ன் ஆன் ஈக்விட்டி செப்டம்பர் 25 19.58% என்பதாகவும் இருக்கிறது. வைப்பு தொகைக்கான செலவு செப்டம்பர் 24 இருந்த 5.13% என்பதிலிருந்து 12 பேசிஸ் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் குறைந்து 5.01% செப்டம்பர் 25 பதிவாகி இருக்கிறது. மொத்த கடன்கள் செப்டம்பர் 24 பதிவான ரூபாய் 5,50,644 கோடி என்பதிலிருந்து செப்டம்பர் 25 12.65% வளர்ச்சி பெற்று ரூபாய் 6,20,20,324 கோடியாக அதிகரித்திருக்கிறது. ராம் துறைக்கு வீட்டு விவசாயம் மற்றும் விவசாயம் வழங்கப்பட்ட கடன்கள் செப்டம்பர் 24 ரூபாய் 3,25,550 கோடி என்ற அளவில் இருந்து செப்டம்பர் 25 ரூபாய் 3,75,560 கோடியாக உயர்ந்து 15.57% வளர்ச்சியை பதிவு செய்திருக்கிறது. மொத்த உள்நாட்டு கடன்களுக்கு ராமின் பங்களிப்பு 65.5% இருக்கிறது. ரீட்டைல் விவசாயம் MSME ஆகிய பிரிவுகளுக்கு வழங்கிய கடன்கள் முந்தைய ஆண்டை விட முறையே 18.58%, 13.98% மற்றும் 14.10% அதிகரித்திருக்கிறது. முந்தைய ஆண்டை விட வீட்டுக்கடன் அடமானம் உட்பட 12.68% என செப்டம்பர் 25 அதிகரித்திருக்கிறது. மொத்த டெபாசிட் முந்தைய ஆண்டை விட 12.09% வளர்ச்சி கண்டு செப்டம்பர் 25 7,76,946 கோடி என்ற அளவை எட்டியிருக்கிறது. முந்தைய ஆண்டோடு ஒப்பிடுகையில் நடப்பு கணக்கு, சேமிப்பு கணக்கு மற்றும் காசா டெபாசிட்டுகள் முறையே 11.40%, 6.59% மற்றும் 7.23% என்று அதிகரித்திருக்கிறது. செப்டம்பர் 25, 30ஆம் தேதி அன்று உள்நாட்டு காசா விகிதம் 38.87% என்று பதிவாகி இருக்கிறது. 30 செப்டம்பர் 2025 அன்று சிடி வகிதம் 79.84% என்று பதிவாகி இருக்கிறது. GNPA மொத்த வாராக்கடன்கள் செப்டம்பர் 24 இருந்த 3.48% இருந்து முந்தைய ஆண்டோடு ஒப்பிடுகையில் 88 பேசிஸ் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் குறைந்து 2.60% பதிவாகி இருக்கிறது. நெட் NPA நிகர வாராக்கடன்கள் செப்டம்பர் 24 இருந்த 0.27% இருந்து செப்டம்பர் 25 16 பேசிஸ் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் குறைந்து 0.16% பதிவாகி இருக்கிறது. வாரா ஐயக்கடன்களுக்கான நிதி ஒதுக்கீடு விகிதம் PCR செப்டம்பர் 24 இருந்த 97.60% இருந்து செப்டம்பர் 25 68 பேசிஸ் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் அதிகரித்து 98.28% பதிவாகி இருக்கிறது. மலியல் விகிதம் செப்டம்பர் 24 1.06% இருந்ததுடன் ஒப்பிடுகையில் செப்டம்பர் 2025 0.79% கட்டுப்படுத்தப்பட்டிருக்கிறது. மூலதன போதுமான நிலை விகிதம் செப்டம்பர் 2025 17.31% இருக்கிறது. ஒரு பங்கிற்கான ஈட்டம் EPS செப்டம்பர் 2024 இருந்த ரூபாய் 80.37 இருந்து செப்டம்பர் 25 ரூபாய் 89.63 உயர்ந்திருக்கிறது. மாறி வரும் சூழலுக்கேற்ப நிதி துறையிலும் சிறப்பாக இயங்குதல், வெளிப்படைத்தன்மை மூலம் நம்பிக்கையை கட்டமைத்தல் மற்றும் வாடிக்கையாளர்களுக்கு தனி பயனாக்கப்பட்ட அனுபவங்கள் வளருதல், இதில் எங்கள் வங்கி முழு கவனம் செலுத்தி செயல்பட்டு வருகிறது. வாடிக்கையாளருக்கும் பயன் பெறுவார்கள். எங்கள் வங்கியின் பயன்பெறும். எங்களுடைய முயற்சிகள் அனைத்தும் வெற்றியில் முடியும். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Clarify on the measures taken to contain slippages ratio from 1.06 to 0.79%.
So for slippage ratio, there are two functions we are doing. First, underwriting we have made strong. So credit quality, when at the time of sanction itself, we are taking due diligence so that we don't end up doing bad account. Number one. Number two, we have in-house built our score predictor, which says that how much efforts we have to put for recovery of each account, and for that we have got a Scotch award also. And from the early day of any sign of stress, we have started following up very aggressively so that our slippages come down.
Thank you.
Pardon, can you come again?
Average income increased by 22% around that.
Interest income.
Yeah, agriculture income.
Agriculture income, yes.
So what is
When you see that agriculture income, agriculture growth is 22%.
22%.
22%, yeah. Well, see, we are focusing on the lot of investment credit, production credit. We are investing, we are focusing, and we are seeing good traction in that. Food processing industry, like we are focusing. Wherever some clusters, good agriculture clusters are there. My people are visiting, even in all the states where they have visited. They are going, they are contacting the customers, and they are interacting with them, and we are sanctioning within timeline. That basically we have maintained for that.
See, you talk about a number of branches. What about manpower you added, sir?
Manpower this year?
Yeah, this year.
1,600
For this year. Yeah. Thank you.
Sir, you have 3 overseas branches and 1 IBU and Gift City. How is the performance of IBU when compared to overseas branches?
Yeah, IBU performance is good. Overall, I will say performance of IBU is better than other part of the branches overseas.
Any major accounts have been shifted to overseas branch to IBU?
No, not account we are not shifting. So natural growth is coming there.
Organic growth.
Any matches you brought also? Any matches you brought also?
No, not any big account slip.
So when you open the new branches, kindly see that it is located in the very good ground floor only, because the senior citizens are finding very difficult to climb to the second floor, third floor, sir.
Yeah.
When Neelanjana, there is one branch is there, but it is top of the floor.
Yeah.
So second floor, they have to go to the second floor. During the rainy season, senior citizens find it very difficult to climb to the second floor, sir. Kindly see it.
Yeah.
Also.
So new branch, let me reply you. New branch, whatever we are opening on the ground floor only. Wherever we have branches on the first floor or second floor, we are trying to shift them to the ground floor. All may not be possible, but gradually we are shifting.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Education loan improvement.
Education we are doing, and government is also launched a portal, Vidya Lakshmi portal. There around 900 good institutes are involved. So if somebody applies through that portal, loan will be sanctioned with that, and it is being monitored by them also. That they have kept only 5 days, so yeah, only 5 days. In 5 days it has to be sanctioned, and it is being monitored by the government.
Any further questions?
சரி எஜுகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவு கொடுத்துருக்கோம். நான் நிறைய பேருக்கு ஆன்லைன்ல அப்ளை பண்ணி அதை வந்து வெயிட்டிங் இருக்கு. அவங்க கேட்ட அமௌண்ட் வந்து எதிர்பார்த்த அமௌண்ட் இல்லாம லோவஸ்ட் அமௌண்ட் தான் வந்து கிரெடிட் ஆயிருக்கு. ஸோ அது எதனால அந்த ரீசன்?
How much their question is how much is sanctioned and disbursed. Though they are asking X amount, they are giving only lesser amount. Why is it?
Okay, so education loan we can, there is no limit. So depending on the fees of the institute and other expenses like postal expenses, food expenses, etc. After maintaining margin of depending on the income, 15 to 25% margin we maintain, and we are giving the amount to them. If somebody is requesting for higher amount, it is happening lower amount. It should not happen, but maybe some expenses which may not be permissible. Only that amount will not be sanctioned.
கஸ்டமர் மேனேஜர்ஸ் பிரான்ச் மேனேஜர்ஸ் எல்லாருமே வந்து எந்த அளவுக்கு நடந்துக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ரூல்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து கொடுத்துருக்கோம். பட் இப்போ நேற்று வந்து கிருஷ்ணகிரியில ஒரு பேங்க் மேனேஜர் இன்டர்நெட் மேனேஜர் வந்து டிசபிலிட்டி சேனல் பர்சன்கிட்ட வந்து ஒரு மாதிரி நடந்திருக்காரு. உனக்கு யார் லோன் கொடுத்தது அப்படிங்கிறதெல்லாம் இது பண்ணிருக்காரு. அவர் மேலே என்ன ஆக்ஷன் எடுக்க போறோம், ஃபர்தரா நம்ம இதெல்லாம் நடக்காம இருக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? ஏன்னா சோசியல் மீடியால அந்த வீடியோ வைரலா ட்ரெண்ட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு.
Yes, we are telling a lot of inputs for customer service. But yesterday in Krishnagiri, there was a bad incident where the branch manager has behaved rudely to the differently abled person and said, "Who will give you loan and all that?" What kind of action we are going to take?
No. Now you have note out the branch. Now you have brought to our notice. We will definitely take action. See, one thing I can rest assured that you can say anywhere. If any misbehavior related complaint coming to me, I am taking very strict action. I have already, taken strict action against 4-5 persons. Immediately without even thought.
Is there any common platform for making complaints?
Yeah, many platform. CGMRS portal is there. You can mail to my secretariat. One portal is also there. You can anybody can make complaint.
May I also?
Yes.
சார் இதுல வந்துட்டு பாகுபாடே கிடையாது. எப்ப வந்துட்டு கம்ப்ளைண்ட் வருதோ, எங்க கைக்கு கம்ப்ளைண்ட் வந்து அடுத்த செகண்ட் அதுல வந்துட்டு நடந்துச்சான்ற அந்த சம்பவம் நடந்துச்சான்றதை உறுதிப்படுத்திக்கிட்டு உடனே ஆக்ஷன் எடுக்கப்படுகிறது. கம்ப்ளைண்ட் போர்ட்டல் மூலமா வந்து உடனே அதற்கு நிவர்த்தி செய்யப்பட்டு தான் க்ளோஸ் செய்யப்படும். இல்லைன்னா க்ளோஸ் செய்ய முடியாது அந்த போர்ட்டல்ல. சோ எங்க பேங்க்ல வந்துட்டு இந்த மாதிரி கம்ப்ளைண்ட் கம்மி. பட் நீங்க கொண்டு வந்த இந்த நிகழ்ச்சிக்கு உடனே ஆக்ஷன் எடுக்கப்படும். தேங்க்யூ. Any further questions? Thank you all respected dignitaries on the dais, and thank you media fraternity for being present here.